Welcome to Contract Pod AI's Legal Tech Talks, where today we are talking with Anurag Malik, the CTO for Contract Pod AI, about Contract Pod AI Cloud. So, Anurag, can you tell us, first of all, let's start off with, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Thanks, Charles. Name's Anurag, like you said. I've been with Contract Pod for about a year now. Amazing company to work for. Joined the company because of exactly what they do, the passion for technology. And I love technology. I love building products. I've been blessed to be a part of several exciting companies, including Tesla. I've been doing tech for about 22 years and can't wait to keep doing it all my life. So.
That's fantastic. Great introduction. So, Anurag, I know that you've been with us for a while, and we are on the cusp of introducing this new technology, this new thing called Contract Pod AI Cloud. Can you tell me, first of all, very, very briefly, what exactly is Contract Pod AI Cloud? How do I get my head wrapped around this?
Sure, Charles. I know the word cloud seems something that kind of covers everything, and that's what inspired us to name it that way, because what we have built is one legal platform for almost any legal scenario which a general counsel or their deputies can think of.
Yeah.
So we've been a CLM company for a while now, for about 5-6 years, and we still CLM first. But what we have built is, and in talking to our customers and the feedback we get from them, right? Contracts is not the only thing they manage, right? Our persona, as you know, general counsel and their teams, they're dealing with a lot other legal scenarios and use cases. Mm-hmm. We've expanded our platform, and we're calling it really one legal platform, or Contract Pod AI Cloud, to cover all those legal scenarios.
Yeah.
And to an extent that a legal team can actually launch its own application, a brand new application from scratch, between 30 seconds to 10 minutes, dependent on how they want to define their workflows. And they could, based on an incoming use case, launch a new application, and that'll automate everything they used to do manually before.
Interesting. So then what a customer is going to find different about Contract Pod AI Cloud is that in the past, they've come to know us really for our contract management capabilities. What you're saying is Contract Pod AI Cloud isn't just contract management. It actually kind of goes into more other aspects of legal. Is that right?
Absolutely. Still CLM first, right? We lead with that.
Yeah.
But because there's so many other scenarios which a legal person has to deal with, and then they have to integrate to several other applications, or work on different platforms, what we have done is we've built everything into one platform for them, so they don't have to go anywhere else ever again.
Oh, nice. Sort of makes it easy and convenient, I guess.
Absolutely. And all the data is at one place. It all flows very well.
Yeah, some pretty good idea, pretty good aspect on that. Now, I know also I got a chance to see it before this. We recorded this, and when I took a look at it, I'm kind of curious. So you took a lot of painstaking, effort put into getting the product team to really beautify it, really make the beautiful graphic. The graphic user interface is gorgeous. It's great. Why was that so important?
Thank you, Charles. I'm glad you touched on that, because it's just not pretty. Actually, we took a serious look at how we can simplify and make the user experience and usability intuitive, so that people don't have to really be trained on this platform. It should be intuitive. It's very user-friendly. It's no different from all the other super user-friendly applications people are used to today, right? What we've taken is we put the B2C hats on for a B2B product, because our consumers are working on state-of-the-art applications, right, on their iPhones, on their fingertips. And a B2B product cannot really survive today if it does not give them what they're used to in their daily lives. So we actually have built something which is really a B2C product for a B2B enterprise application, and really proud of it. And that's why it was very important to pay attention and really deep dive into user experience.
Yeah, I like that perspective, taking the B2C world and basically embedding it into a B2B application. I think that's a good idea, a good principle. And I think that'll make it a lot easier for many of the people to adopt, frankly, because a lot of times you get a new system in your company and it's like, oh, no, now I have to learn another system, another interface. And generally, you get a lot of people kind of thinking that this is going to be a chore and exercise. So great idea. I like that. B2C in the B2B world. Talk to me a little bit about the upgradability. So I know that there were a lot of thoughts put towards making this extendable, making it so that the ContractPod AI cloud platform is something that kind of grows over time and helps your team further. Tell me a little bit about that.
Sure. Right. I mean, you could start with any use case or legal scenario that's applicable to you as an incoming customer.
Yeah.
And as you get to use the system more, the system is so powerful that you would then realize that, hey, if there are other scenarios or use cases which I have to deal with, why not use ContractPod AI? Because the system is intuitive enough, like I mentioned before, for you to really use it to solve any of those other use cases, whether it's an IP management or M&A, right, or a claims use case that comes in, or even a simple court case where you want to organize your documents and kind of manage them in one place. Remember, the good thing is our AI can be applied to any of these use cases. It's not just for contracts that we have an AI. You could apply the AI. We're going to come out of the box with our 8 to 10 applications where AI would have been already trained for very common legal use cases. So when you get a third-party document, not just contract, you could run AI on it and it will extract the key information you need from it without you having to scan the whole document. So that's the power of the system. And any document you need to author, right, or generate, right, you could do that with a click of a button.
Okay. And that's what you meant by, I remember the other day we were talking and originally we had talked about ContractPod AI had brought in the 5D AI model, and now it's become more of that multi-dimensional AI
Correct.
model.
Yeah. Really n dimensions of AI because they apply to so many different scenarios.
Yeah, fantastic. That's amazing. So last question for you, Anurag. What do you think customers are going to say when they finally see this product?
I hope they say wow, because the initial feedback we've gotten from some of the people we've run it through, they really love it, and the reason really is because of the design thinking which went into it, which is like everybody expects everything they interact with to be really intuitive today, right? And in fact, I like to say that it's so simple that even a kid can use it.
Oh yeah.
And I've actually had my kid kind of give it a stab too. So yes.
Fantastic. Well, look forward to that one. Seeing maybe a video of a couple of children kind of tinkering with it and actually getting it. Last question, I promise on this one. What's your favorite part of this product?
Really the simplicity and then the user experience. I love that. And because, people think of legal as boring, but if it's intuitive, it's not boring anymore.
Excellent. Well, that's great. Anurag, thank you so much for your time on this. Great effort on this product. Congratulations to your team. They did a really fantastic job. And if you, the watchers, have not seen this product, then definitely, ask for a demo, take a look at it. It is brilliant. It is a really, really nice design. And frankly, most importantly, it's very, very useful to the legal teams, and it's going to be adopted because it is easy to figure out. It's easy to learn. It's intuitive. So again, thank you so much, Anurag, for your time and for talking to me about ContractPod AI's cloud.
Thank you, Charles.
And from ContractPod AI's Legal Tech Talks, this is Charles. See you next time.